So we are going to go through and find all potential rational zeros. So the way you do that is you find your positive and negative factors of the constant divided by the factors of the leading coefficient. Okay. So we're going to take our factors of our constant, our 10. That would be 1, 2, 5, and 10. 1 and 10, and 2 and 5 equals 10. And then I also need the factors of my leading coefficient. I'm going to put that on the bottom to divide by that. So we get 1, 2, and 4. So this just helps you figure out what I'm going to be dividing by, and then you're going to find each separate potential rational zero. So I'm going to go ahead and divide each of these numbers on top by every number on bottom. So for instance, I'm going to start by dividing every single one of them by 1. And each one's going to be a positive or negative answer. So we're positive or negative 1, 2 over 1 is 2, 5 over 1 is 5, so positive 5, 10 over 1 is 10. Okay, so we divided each number by 1 and put a plus or minus in there. Now I'm going to divide each number by 2. So we have positive negative 1/2. Now 2 over 2 is 1, so I don't need to repeat that one. So then we'll go to 5 over 2. That one's not on the list yet. 10 over 2 is 5. I already have that on my list, so I don't need to repeat that one either. Last but not least, I divide everything by 4. So we have positive negative 1/4. Well, 2/4 is a half. That's already on my list. We don't have 5/4 though. And 10/4 simplifies down to 5 over 2. So I don't need that one. So here is the entire list of potential rational zeros. So first off, it may look like we only have 8 numbers. Remember that there's a positive and negative for each of these. We have 16 possible rational zeros for this polynomial. Now, when I plug them in, our goal is to get this to equal 0, because that's how we know if something's a factor. On this list, there may be just one of these that actually works. Maybe there will be 2 or so on. So you sometimes have to guess a lot, and we'll learn some other skills as we go on of how to guess more accurately so that you're not spending years trying to find a zero that actually works. But that is how you find the list of potential rational zeros.